Yoga is a practice that offers numerous physical, mental, and emotional benefits. Regular yoga practice can improve flexibility, strength, and posture. Yoga can help reduce stress and promote relaxation through breathing exercises and meditation. The practice of yoga enhances balance, coordination, and body awareness. Yoga is known to boost energy levels and improve overall vitality. It can contribute to weight loss by increasing metabolism and promoting a healthy lifestyle. Yoga helps in relieving chronic pain, such as back pain and arthritis. The practice of yoga promotes better sleep and helps in managing insomnia. Yoga improves cardiovascular health and contributes to a stronger immune system. Regular yoga practice can enhance focus, concentration, and cognitive function. Yoga helps in reducing anxiety, depression, and improving mental well-being. Practicing yoga encourages self-awareness and mindfulness. Yoga promotes inner peace, calmness, and emotional stability. The practice of yoga can help in managing and reducing the symptoms of chronic diseases. Yoga provides a holistic approach to fitness, integrating mind, body, and spirit. It encourages self-discipline, patience, and self-acceptance. Yoga helps in improving digestion and promoting a healthy digestive system. Regular yoga practice can strengthen the muscles and improve overall body tone. Yoga postures stimulate the endocrine system, regulating hormonal balance. The practice of yoga promotes better posture and spinal alignment. Yoga can help in managing and reducing the symptoms of chronic respiratory conditions. Practicing yoga fosters a sense of connection and unity with oneself and others. Yoga is a gentle and low-impact exercise suitable for people of all ages and fitness levels. It offers a peaceful retreat from the busy modern world, promoting relaxation and inner peace. Yoga cultivates a positive mindset, enhancing self-confidence and self-esteem.